Good morning and welcome to Writing 192, our Accelerated Learning Program course. My name is Carrie Aldrich and I'm your professor. The work we do in this class will help you succeed in Writing 111, which is a course required for all degree and certificate programs, but is often a challenging course for students. Start by logging into your UAA email address. You can't start our class until you have logged into your UAA email address, and that's something I can't help you with. If you're having any trouble with your UAA email address, please contact the Information Technology Services office right away. Their number is area code 907-786-4646. Writing 111 is a separate course that is completely asynchronous, which means the class doesn't meet together at the same time. You'll watch videos, complete readings, and submit work to me through the Google Classroom, where I'll respond. This class, Writing 192, is synchronous, which means that we meet at the same time. At 1 o'clock on Mondays and Wednesdays, you'll join our class meeting by entering our Google Classroom, where I'm currently navigated, and clicking here. That will take you to our live class. During class, we'll have discussions, use the chat, work together on a Jamboard. It's almost like we're all in class together, but we'll have the benefit of working from wherever we need to be. After every class, you'll submit an exit ticket. I'll give you 10 minutes at the end of each class to complete your exit tickets, and I expect you to complete them thoughtfully and in complete sentences. Your response to the exit tickets will help me know what to focus on in our next class. You can find all of our course content here in the Classwork tab. My favorite thing about the Google Classroom is that there are places for you to add comments and questions all over the place. I encourage you to use this feature. I like hearing from you, and it's really helpful for me to know when my directions aren't clear to you. If you have a question, it's likely others will too, so posting a question might help a lot of other people who might be feeling too embarrassed to ask. To be ready for this class, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You also need to be using a computer, not a phone, during class. We'll frequently work together in Google Docs or on a Jamboard, and you'll need a full keyboard to keep up with us. I've addressed all these issues in the course syllabus, which should be your next step. You can find the course syllabus right here. Your course syllabus is the first place to go for information about any of your college courses. As you can see, I've designed mine with a table of contents, so you can quickly navigate to where you need to go. It's important for me to let you know that I'm a first-generation college student, and my first year of college was not easy for me. I wish I'd done a better job asking questions about things I didn't know. I want you to know that I'm here to help you. Most of my students say I'm an easy person to talk to, so if anything comes up, please send me an email, come to my office hours, which are from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock a.m. on Mondays, and 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. on Wednesdays, or by appointment. Or you can text or call me on my personal phone between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can find my number on the syllabus. I really look forward to working with you this semester.